Sa halo-halo? How about some ube? Kasi today we're going to try halo-halo story here lang sa may SM Santa Mesa. Actually, I've been seeing this for quite some time. Kaya naman today, inuna ko talaga yung halo-halo ng kapitbahay nila. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, this is their best seller daw. And in fairness, very loaded yung halo-halo niya with ube ice, leche flan, cinnamon, nata de coco, makapuno, and so much more. And syempre, hindi ko na rin pinalagpas, I also tried na their ube champorado. Sarap din ito with the fish on top, ha? Then this one to all cheese lovers out there naman, aka me, syempre I also had to try their 4 cheese. Super kakatuwa tong 4 cheese nila kasi hindi kinuripot yung cheese. Plus, alam nyo ba, may kasama pa tong cream cheese inside. Super kakatuwa, kaya love na love ko talaga yung dessert ko today. And lastly, we also had their buko pie. Alam nyo bang may makapunutong buko pie nila? And that was the highlight for me, mga kalocals. So ano, if you're looking for